Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to allow your contacts to make peer-to-peer calls on Telegram web using the latest update. If you've been wondering how to manage who can directly connect with you on calls, this guide will show you exactly where to find that setting and how to adjust it in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open Telegram web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the Telegram website and signing in to your account. Once you're in your main chat screen, take a look at the top left corner of the page. You'll see three horizontal lines. That's the main menu icon. Click it to open the sidebar. From there, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram stores all of your privacy preferences for chats, calls, and other features. Now, you'll want to scroll down until you find the section labeled Who Can Call Me. Click on it to open your call permissions. Telegram gives you a few options here. You can choose Everybody, My Contacts, or Nobody. Since you want only your saved contacts to be able to make peer-to-peer calls to you, choose My Contacts under the Peer-to-Peer Calls option. This ensures that only people you've added to your contact list can establish a direct connection with your device during a call. It's a good balance between privacy and convenience.